I am a photographer. I want to tell the story of my photography. Relax and enjoy your moment. Today I want to go on a trip. My goal is to photograph more beautiful sunrise. I'm moving to the bank of the river. After traveling for about 2 hours, I reached my destination. The sandy riverbank is bathed in sunlight. Dunes are sticking out of the water. The sand dunes were once underwater, and now they are found when the water level calms down. On the other side of the river, there are mountains and green pastures. The water is so clear and undisturbed. The image of each object is in the water. The color of the algae has turned the river green. I love this piece. Sometimes birds sit on the river water and catch fish and fly away again. A perfect ecosystem. I am sitting on the calm riverbank and looking at the small and calm waves. Tomorrow I will go to the top of the mountain to continue photography. Thanks for your attention. Please like and subscribe me.